Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a protein and fiber rich vegetable salad recipe. This filling and nutritious salad can be enjoyed as a meal for lunch or dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. I have washed and rinsed one head of broccoli and I have sliced into small bite-sized pieces. I'm heating my steamer and I'm adding the broccoli florets into the steamer. And once steam starts to come, I'm covering it with the lid and I'm going to steam on medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes later, open the lid and then I'm checking whether the broccoli is lightly cooked. And then I'm turning off the flame. I'm transferring the broccoli to another plate. And I'm going to keep this aside. I'm heating a wide kadai with 2 teaspoons wood pressed sesame oil, also known as gingerly oil, till oil or nallenna in Malayalam. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon jeera, and once the jeera starts to splutter, I'm adding in 10 garlic cloves chopped. Allow the garlic to turn light golden brown in color. Once the garlic starts to turn light golden brown in color, I'm adding in 10 to 12 shallots. Now give this a good stir. Instead of shallots, you can use one medium-sized onion cut into cubes. Into this I'm adding in 2 carrots cut lengthwise, half cup fresh beans cut lengthwise. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed and give it a good stir. Allow the vegetables to get cooked and stir-fried. Once the vegetables are stir-fried and are half cooked, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder. If you're making for kids, adjust black pepper and chilli powder as per their taste. Give it a good mix. Into this I'm adding in 1 cup boiled chana. Chana is also known as chickpeas. So what I've done is I soaked the chana overnight and pressure cooked it until it is nicely cooked. And while cooking the chana, I also added some salt. So add salt accordingly. Give this a good mix. Half of a capsicum cut into lengthwise. And then add in the steamed broccoli. Give this a good mix. Once everything is nicely mixed and the vegetables are cooked and stir-fried, turn off the flame and then I'm squeezing in 1 whole lemon. Give it a good mix. At this stage you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in, and if you feel you need more black pepper powder, you can add in that as well. And my super healthy and filling vegetable salad is ready to serve. You can enjoy this as a meal for lunch or for dinner. So guys, do try this healthy vegetable salad and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.